I'm not really sure how I feel about this one, Freetress. I feel like it's just okay. It's just okay for me.
You keep on your boat, you and I just spending my mode. See fear out of you remain afloat. Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half-Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, I'm coming back to you guys with yet another newer unit. This one is from the Freetress Equal Natural Me collection. I'm wearing this one in the style May and the color number 1B. And let's just jump into the specs. So this unit does come with your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, as well as your adjustable straps. It does come with HD lace, this singular middle lace parting, as well as it's a bit pre-plucked in the front, and it does also come with baby hairs. As you guys can see, I kind of did a little attempted half up half down look because I just kind of wasn't feeling how it looked all down. I feel like it just wasn't giving me what I wanted. So the texture on this unit, this does say that it's a natural blowout with soft and voluminous texture. It kind of is feeling like, I guess, if you had your hair relaxed, but it's not giving me as much Yaki as I normally do. So definitely keep that in mind. I don't know if this is just me and my unit. So the length on it, this is everything to the front, and as you can see, it's a very, very natural length. It's coming far above my boobs. So definitely a natural little simple look. The density on this one is definitely on the natural side, so I want to say it's about 130%. This unit also is heat friendly up to 400 degrees. This one is definitely also coming off small, medium, and big head friendly, so that's definitely good. So let's just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My biggest con in this unit is probably just the fact that the look wasn't giving me what I was going for. I don't think I would necessarily wear it all out the way that it was because it's looking kind of blah. It's not giving me the voluptuous body that I'm looking for, so I really wasn't the biggest fan of that. But other than that, the pros on it are the baby hairs are nice, the lace is nice, it was easy to blend. They did a pretty good job with plucking the front of it. You do get a good amount of parting space. It was easy to get this look. This definitely is a throw on and go. This is definitely beginner friendly. The quality of the hair feels pretty good, even though, like I said, it's not giving me that natural Yaki relaxed blowout look. The density is cute, especially on a shorter look. As a whole, I feel like this is a pretty cute unit. I wouldn't necessarily pick it up again because, like I said, it's not giving me like the va-va boom that I'm going for. But this does definitely seem like it's coming off cute as sort of an everyday unit. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up and any of the colors. And until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.